Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the air filter in a 2015 Hyundai Genesis with the 5-liter V8. So with this car, there's apparently two air filters, one on the left and one on the right, and they are different sizes, so you can't buy the same one twice. First thing you want to do is get a screwdriver. I like to use a flathead, then pop these rivets. A lot of these modern cars have stupid plastic coverings, which can be annoying to take off. Sorry for the shaky video. It's really hard to film with one hand and do things with the other hand. I guess I'm too cheap to buy a tripod or something. I'm going to fast forward this part, so make sure you collect all those rivets and put them in a safe spot so you can put them back later. So now you can take off this plastic cover. It comes off pretty easy. Make sure you put it somewhere safe. This is my safe spot. Ha ha ha. So now you gotta remove those two crossbars by taking off those bolts. So I'm gonna fast forward as I finish doing this, so make sure to do it on both sides. So you don't have to remove the air filter compartment unless you want to change the headlights. So I'm just going to show you how to remove the filter from here. In order to get the filter out of the box, you need to unclip those lock systems. I don't know what you call them, but after you do that, you can access the filter. So there we have it. That's one of our filters. And now we do the same thing for the other side, so we can grab the other filter. I'm just gonna fast forward the other side because it's practically the same steps. Here are the two filters. One is for the left and one is for the right side. They're both different. I went to Napa Auto Parts and Lordco, but they both said I need to order it through a Hyundai dealership. And when I contacted the Hyundai dealership, they were selling it for $40 each. So I'm like, I'll pass. And then I ended up ordering it on Amazon for $12 each. So putting back your new filter, just slightly lift up the box and just slide your new filter in. So yeah, make sure it lines up properly with the box, and then once it does, you can clip back the locks. So you do the exact same thing to the other side. So once you put the new filters on both sides, it's time to put back the support bars. So now you gotta put the stupid plastic piece back on again. It's pretty easy to do, in my opinion. There's a lot of locks. It's basically a lock system, so you just clip it on and then you should be good to go. Finally, you can put the rivets back. As far as I know, this is the same process for the newer Genesis models such as the G80 and the G90 with the 5-liter V8. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and make sure to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.